Hey guys, my name is Rudy and welcome to the rooftop of my house. I'm actually standing on a ladder here. In the first episode we talked about getting the preview is looking at getting the guards. Part 1 was what's involved in insulation, and part 2 is kind of progress, and then I think I'll do a part 3 for the finishing. So I'm going to take you out here and show you what I've done so far. Okay, this is what I've done so far here. Looks pretty good. Not exactly 100% straight. I just didn't want to put any screws into the fascia over here. We'll see if it holds. If it doesn't, then I'm going to have to go back and put screws in there. I just didn't want to make unnecessary holes in there if not needed. Everything's fastened by 3 screws. You can kind of see that here. This is the new piece we're installing. We're going to do that right now. If the camera allows me to do it, we'll see what it looks like. But that's kind of what we're doing now. The back end over here, it's going to be interesting too, because the corner, as you can be able to see, I'm going to zoom in over there a little bit. It's a rounded corner, and that's going to be the issue. So there'll be some bending and things to make that work. I appreciate all the positive quotes and things with the last project, and we will see if we can get this thing done right. Try to do this. Maybe not. World. Yeah, this is not gonna go well. Anyway, so here's what we're doing. One thing to note, thing that sucks about this is this edge here is very sharp. You can kind of see a little bit of a mark on my hand. The gloves would definitely have been a good choice to work with out here. Most of them at a bit of an angle. I think the stuff that drops off, we'll see if it goes. I did spray this with water, and stuff seems to be going in. I just want to see what happens over time if this thing drops anymore. Again, if this drops, all I have to do is remove those top 3 screws there, the ones on the bottom, and put something on the fascia here to rise it up a little bit. Anyway, guys, working on this for the next few minutes here still. Let's see if I can get this to work. Did not think of a tripod or anything else to set up here on this side, but it's actually pretty easy. What I do is I raise up the piece I'm working with a little bit, and the magnetic tip is provided, and gotta gauge it so you're actually drilling into the stuff here. And there it is. Okay guys, I'll give you guys a wrap up when I'm done here. Thank you for watching. Till next time, or part 3, take care.